2018 Chevrolet Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, OnStar, keyless entry, power driver's seat, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, running boards, remote start, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, climate control, premium sound, clock, power windows, power door locks, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.